Relax, relax. Side chest, any side. Relax, relax. Stand back, double biceps with cock. Back, double biceps with cock. Relax, relax. Abdominal and thighs. Please get back. Stop. Front double biceps. Relax, relax. Side chest. Relax, relax. Stand back. Double biceps with cock. Back, double biceps with cock. Relax, relax. Abdominal and thighs. Relax, relax. Please wait. Please get back. Relax, relax. Stand back, double biceps with cock. Back, double biceps with cock. Please get ready for 60 category senior. 60 kilo. Line lerunga. Relax, relax, relax. Abdominal and thighs. Relax, relax. Most muscular. Relax, relax. Thank you. Please get back. Congrats. The third place goes to run number 129, M. Santosh from Tamil Nadu. Cash award, memento, certificates and medal. Congratulations, Santosh. பலாப்பழத்திற்கு பேர் போன பண்ருட்டியை சேர்ந்த சந்தோஷ் அவர்களுக்கு வாழ்த்துக்கள். Congrats. The second place goes to truck number 132, V. Akash from Tamil Nadu. Congratulations, Akash. 3,000 cash award, memento, certificates and medal. Now the category Mr. Kanakasabhi Classic 2024 Open South India 55 category champion senior 123A Gobi from Theni, Tamil Nadu. Congratulations, Gobi. 5,000 cash award, memento, certificates and medal.